Is Mr. MaGoo talking to you? Yeah? How you doing? Doing good, Chip-Chip-Roo? Yes, I think Mr. MaGoo is very, very happy now. Yes, and I think it has a lot to do with you, young lady. Oh, we're gonna preen. Every day it's something new with Mr. MaGoo. He's preening. Just started doing that. That sweet little chirpy sound. And the cockatiels are behind me. Oh, big stretch. I would love to put this camera in your cage and film you, but I'm not gonna scare ya. Yeah, you're actually starting to get quite a fan club, Mr. MaGoo. Yeah. You know, tomorrow's Perch Day. Did you know that? She's sitting on turtles. Oh my goodness. Turn this way. Let's see how this turns out. Yeah. Down here, Chippy. Chip-Chip-Roo. Hi, Chippy. Hi, Chippy. So happy. So happy. I'm going to quickly scan over to Jack. Alrighty, here we go. Because Jack is pacing back and forth, just like Hoshi does. And Hoshi is up here, keeping an eye on what's going on. And there's Jack. The scratching noise is Brinks.